Hello again, folks. This time we have it's another American lock. Only this time it's a closed shackle version. This one is, if you can see it there, it is a 5300. It says YFJ stamped on it there. Let's say it's a closed shackle version. There's your keyway. Typical American keyway. And so it does come with working key. There you go. It's not key retaining. That's it. Locked up again. There's the bitting on the key. You can see that. It is a 5-pinner. I got to land this one off Solomon again. I'm going to use top keyway tension and a Peterson hook, only 18 thousandths ones. I'll just start from the back. So we touch in pin 5, a click. We click in pin 4. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1. So now we click on 5. Small movement to the core there. We click on 4. 2 wee clicks on 3. I click on 1, or sorry, 2. And I click on 1. So obviously your usual straight pins in here, as per usual. We click on 3. We turn to the core again more. Another click on 2. So now we click on 1. Now we click on 4 and 3. We drop over the core. We click on 1, but there we are. As we click on 2, and that's us open, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and got this one, because I don't see too many of these got it online, so I'm interested to know what's actually in these ones. Oh. Just drop everything out there. Just try and bring this camera down a wee bit. So lock that back up again before we take the clip off. Sorry, get back in focus. Getting myself. Alright. Take this wee clip off. Oh, well, that came off alright. There we go. Use your key here. There we are. So where we are, 5 pins. You can see that. We'll dump these out. Pin number 1. That's serrated. Get off. Pin number 2. It's also serrated. Pin number 3. Expect these all to be serrated. That's also serrated. Pin number 4. Nope, they're not actually. Pin number 4 is a standard. And pin number 5 is, yep, that's serrated. Okay. Now for your driver pins. So pin number 1 is, that's get that to focus. Yep, that's fully serrated as you can see there. Pin number 2, again, that's fully serrated as well. Pin number 3. Oh, pin number 3 is a spool with the serration at the top and bottom. Pin number 4. Will ever come out. It's the same, it is a spool also. You can see that wee serration there at the top and bottom. It's a nice one. And last one, pin number 5 is, it's the same again, you can see that. It's a spool with serration top and bottom. So there you go folks. In number 1 we have a serrated and a serrated, serrated, 2 serrated pins. In number 2, 2 serrated pins. In number 3, a serrated and a serrated spool. In number 4, a standard and a serrated spool. In number 5, a serrated and a serrated spool. So that's your American lock. See there, 5300 series, single pin picked and gutted. And thanks very much for watching folks, and all the best now, bye bye.